Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming port types on your old LG TV and the exact phone model so you pick the proper method. Once done, choose HDMI for best quality, MHL for older Androids, or wireless casting for convenience. Make sure to enable the TV input for the selected port and open phone settings to turn on screen mirroring or USB file transfer. This prepares both devices so the connection step is smooth and predictable. You plug in the selected cable or adapter, starting with the phone end so you avoid loose contacts. Then connect the HDMI or MHL end to the TV and switch the TV input. For wireless casting, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network and open the casting option on your phone. Tap the TV name to initiate. If the phone prompts for permissions, accept them. This step establishes the link that lets video and audio stream reliably to the TV. You confirm the display appears and tweak resolution or aspect ratio on the TV and phone so the image fits correctly. Once done, test audio and playback controls to ensure everything responds. If nothing appears, reboot both devices, receipt cables, and ensure any powered adapter has external power. This fixes most issues. Finally, if problems persist, switch to an alternate cable or a cheap wireless receiver to identify whether the fault is the cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.